The Slayer has entered the building. Now, if like me, you have been around to see every iteration of Doom, this one is going to get your heart going. Right here I have the new Doom Anthology Collector's Edition. The Doom series is a first-person shooter franchise created by ID Software, and it all started with the original Doom when it was released in 1993. Doom Anthology is available for multi-platform, and here with me right now I have the Xbox version for Xbox Series S and X and Xbox One, and then I also have a PC game edition. So with Doom Anthology, right off the bat you have this nice presenter's box with a clear front, and straight up at the front you can see a replica of a in-game weapon, the BFG. So if I start by sliding it out of its cover, we can reveal the box that is inside. Now if I open this box just here, inside we should have, we've got the warning for all the information here about how it's not a toy, how to set it up, and how to work the replica. I'm going to pop that to the side for just a second. Then in the back we have the Doom Anthology Steelbook. And honestly, it looks absolutely stunning. And it would look great in anybody's collection, whether it's on a shelf on its own or with other collectible steelbooks. Inside we then have the code for the game bundle with all the games, which is Doom, Doom 2, Doom 64, Doom 3, Doom 2016 and Doom Eternal, and it's Doom Eternal the Deluxe Edition. I'm going to shut that up and pop it to the side for just a second. We can then slide out the BFG. Now there it is, look, it looks really cool. So I'm gonna take it out of its plastic and I'm gonna pop that to the side. And then we have the BFG just here, look, which is very cool looking. And the attention to detail is absolutely incredible. You've got like every little nut and bolt. You've got even wear here from where it's been heavily used. And it looks exceptionally cool. You then also have your stand just here that says Doom on the front. So I'm going to pop that so it's ready to stand up. I'm going to pop the rest of the plastic out of the way. And then on the top of the device, you then have just here a little pull tab, which I'm going to pull out. And that allows it to light up. So as you can see now, it's got all the lights on it and it looks very, very cool. I'm not gonna lie. And honestly, this makes me want to go and play a Doom game right now. This is a great addition for any collector, and I know many people that are gonna wanna add this to their own personal collection. I don't know about you, but I think I'm gonna pop this back in the box because I wanna keep this absolutely mint condition. It looks incredible. Now, if you're a Doom superfan or not, this is a truly iconic piece to add to any player's collection. And honestly, I'm so happy to have this in my possession right now. Now, we've seen the physical elements of what's inside the box. Now, let's speak about those digital download codes inside the Steelbook. First up, you have Doom. You are Earth's toughest Marine stationed on Mars when a military experiment opens the gates to hell. It's up to you to beat back the demon hordes with an arsenal of brutal weapons. We then have Doom 2, the beloved sequel to the groundbreaking Doom. Doom 2 sends you to Earth, gives players the brutal super shotgun to bear against deadlier demons, and makes you face an iconic boss, the Icon of Sin. Players also get access to the final Doom and master levels for Doom 2 mission packs. Then there's Doom 64. This sequel to Doom 2 originally launched in 1997 and sends you on a lone crusade to hunt down the mother of all demons and stop a renewed demonic invasion. Doom 64 was enhanced with upgraded visuals, native 60 frames per second, and additional lost levels which continue the story. You have Doom 3, this critically acclaimed action horror retelling of the original Doom. Players battle their way through a dimly lit and terrifying demon-infested UAC facility on Mars before entering the Abyss to battle Hell's mightiest warrior. Doom 2016 returns as a brutally fun and challenging modern-day shooter experience. Relentless demons, impossibly destructive guns, and fast, fluid movements provide the foundation for intense, push-forward first-person combat. Whether you're obliterating demon hordes through the depths of hell in a single-player campaign, or competing against your friends in numerous multiplayer modes. Then lastly, you have Doom Eternal Deluxe Edition. In this sequel to Doom 2016, Hell's armies have invaded Earth, become the Slayer in an epic single-player campaign to conquer demons across dimensions and stop the final destruction of humanity. The only thing they fear is you. The Deluxe Edition of Doom Eternal includes the online and asymmetrical multiplayer battle modes, plus 2 Ancient Guard expansions, a Demonic Slayer skin, and a classic weapons sound pack. To play the codes inside this set, you do need to download them with the digital download codes inside, and you will need to link a Bethesda.net account. The Doom Anthology is truly a great add to any collection, or a great purchase for someone that has never played Doom. And it's worth playing through them all before the new game, Doom The Dark Ages, releases next year. Now before you go, remember these words. Against all the evil that hell can conjure, all the wickedness that mankind can produce, we send unto them only you.